Are you looking for the best emergency road kits? In this video, we will break down the top 4 emergency road kits on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
At number 1. Lifeline Excursion Road Peace Car Kit. This auto emergency safety kit is licensed by the American Automobile Association, AAA, and meets strict testing requirements for safety. The Excursion Road Kit has 76 components, including an air compressor/tire inflator, booster cable, LED flashlight, an emergency warning triangle, screwdrivers and pliers, a utility knife, gloves, bungee cord, and bandages and other first aid kit essentials. The mini compressor is very handy, especially with the built-in pressure gauge. The fabric carrying bag is durable with a solid handle. Overall, it covers the basic necessities for long-distance driving and is very convenient and worth the price. It's small enough so it doesn't take up too much space, but still provides most of the items you'd need in an emergency. However, there have been some complaints that the jumper cables are not that good. Also, the utility knife is not the best quality, and the whistle isn't very loud. The pliers are also a little low quality. At number 2. Performance Tool Roadside Emergency Kit. This Performance Tool Roadside Emergency Kit is one simple yet beneficial kit that will pull you through a roadside emergency in case it's raining or snowing. It comes with a rain poncho and a snow scraper to help get the ice from your windshield. This kit will also come in handy if you need to jumpstart your battery or tow your vehicle. That's all thanks to the 8-foot jumpstart cables and bungee cords included in the package. You also get a pair of mechanic gloves. Every tool is pretty straightforward to use, including the portable tire inflator, which features an easy-to-read tire pressure gauge. If you happen to get stranded at night, you can use the freestanding reflective triangle to alert other drivers of your position, as well as the provided flashlight to maneuver your way through the darkness. Other useful tools that could help you with light mechanic work are slip joint pliers, a screwdriver, electrical tape, cable ties, and a snap blade knife. At number 3. Kolo Sports Roadside Emergency Kit. This is an all-around kit you'll want to have in your vehicle, especially if you're a new driver. It includes everything you need for different roadside situations, and it comes at a competitive price. You get a convenient and easy-to-use kit without spending a fortune. The collection includes a first aid kit with adhesive bandages, antiseptic towelettes, gauze pads, and much more. In case of an accident, you'll be able to use it for treating most minor injuries. There's also a kit with assistance tools such as triangles, battery booster cables, window breakers, and seatbelt cutters. This will allow you to handle dangerous situations immediately. You'll even get a bonus toolkit and a tire repair kit. All in all, you'll get 156 pieces to help you on the road at all times. Although very helpful in emergencies, the included tools are not of the best quality. If you need a sturdy high-end set, the Kolo Sports one may not be the best choice for you. We also noticed that the jumper cables are of low quality. They are good enough to transfer charge from a full battery to a dead one, but not for jump-starting your vehicle. At number 4. Lianxin Roadside Assistance Emergency Kit. A multi-purpose emergency pack is always good to keep within hand's reach during long rides. This particular one from Lianxin includes everything you might need when an accident occurs. Whether your tire goes flat or your car unexpectedly stops in the middle of nowhere, you'll have tools and supplies to fix the issue or handle the situation before help arrives. One of the great things about this kit is its compact and lightweight design. You can carry and transport it without much effort yet still have the necessary emergency items. The kit contains a flashlight, a reflective warning triangle, a jumper cable, a tow rope, and many other things. There is even a snow shovel and a raincoat, so you can definitely use this kit during the winter. However, the kit is still not perfect. The included tools are not of the best quality, especially the warning triangle and the included knife. They are fragile and prone to damage. Another thing to keep in mind is that the first aid kit lacks some essentials such as bandages. It's good to keep a regular first aid kit along with this bag in your vehicle. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.